Start. During the course of argument, Sri Shivam Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner fairly informed the court that in the year 1991, the petitioner had preferred a writ petition before this court bearing number 6965 of 1991, which was dismissed for want of prosecution on 6/12/2012 staff. This fact was not mentioned before the tribunal nor has it been mentioned in the writ petition staff. Nevertheless, it has been brought to our notice by the counsel himself during arguments staff. Thereafter, the petitioner moved a representation on 7/9/2015, claiming entitlement to the post of junior clerk in the clerical cadre and seniority thereon with consequential benefits of promotion, etc. staff. This claim was apparently moved after 33 years of his appointment as dispatcher staff. The petitioner was given the benefits of dispatcher staff. The petitioner, without disclosing the factum of having filed a writ petition before the High Court bearing number 6965 of 1991, as noticed herein above, filed a claim petition before the UP Public Service Tribunal at Lucknow bearing number 2053 of 2015, which was disposed of with a direction to the concerned opposite party to decide petitioner's representation dated 7/9/2015 staff para. We have perused the said judgment dated 25/7/2017, though it is not under challenge before us, we are constrained to observe that the tribunal did not delve into the question of limitation, which every court is bound to see irrespective of the fact as to whether objection has been raised or not by any opposite party staff. The claim petition was filed in the year 2015 seeking a declaration to treat him as substantively appointed clerk with effect from 29/7/1982 staff. The cause of action, if at all, arose in the year 1982, but the tribunal did not go into this question, instead, it simply passed an order for disposal of petitioner's representation dated 7/9/2015 staff. Now, in pursuance thereof, on 18/7/2018, an order was passed by the Chief Conservator of Forest Director, Raj Anusandhan Sansthan, UP, Kanpur, rejecting the claim of the petitioner staff. This order was challenged by the petitioner by means of writ petition before this court bearing number 1538 within bracket SS bracket out of 2019, as is mentioned in the judgment of the tribunal, which was dismissed on 21/1/2019 on the ground of lack of territorial jurisdiction staff. The petitioner thereafter filed the above mentioned claim petition bearing number 486 of 2019 before the tribunal at Lucknow staff. The claim petition has been declined by the tribunal on the ground of limitation staff. Relevant extract of the judgment are quoted here in below para quote. It is clear that the petitioner was appointed as dispatcher in the Forest Department in 1982 staff. It was in compliance of the government order dated 8/6/1982, whereby a list of visually handicapped persons was circulated amongst various departments for appointment in available vacancies forthwith staff. The letter specifies the posts against which identified persons were directed to be appointed staff. However, it did not specifically mention whether they were to be appointed against cadre or ex-cadre post staff. The petitioner was appointed in place of Sri Dorji, who too was included in the list circulated by the government via its geo dated 8/6/1982 staff para, as the government order did not clearly stop.